Okay, we're at Watkins Glen in the F4. I've done a couple of races here in the Porsche Cup, and they haven't gone well. No, 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 no. So I'm hoping for a bit more luck in the Formula 4, but we'll see, because these can be a bit of a challenge as well.
Green flag, green flag.
Getting off the line can be a bit of a challenge as well. The guy on the left didn't get away very well, did he? See what we can do. Let's be careful here.
You're on the right, 3 wide. Car on your left, 2 wide. Keep to the right.
Okay, well, made up some spots and lost some spots, so I guess it is what it is. We're down, 1 down, yeah. It's too tight on the inside, really. So we've got the slipstream anyway. Let's just see if we can get through the first lap without anyone making stupid moves up here. Lots of grip compared to the Porsche, but not much speed.
Right side.
Oh, Christ. Mercedes are going up the inside, is he?
Stay on the left. Clear.
Let's keep with the train. Keep the train, have a good race. That's what I want. I just keep getting damaged in the Porsche. And then it just made the race really difficult, and then I'd go off. So I just want to have a good race. Oh, it'd be nice. Maybe pick up some spots. Get a bit of high rating. Bit of safety rating.
There's an incident.
And have fun. Which is the most important bit. I certainly was not having a lot of fun in the Porsche Cup. Anyway. So we've got a bit of a race on our hands here, I think.
3, 6, 5.
Okay. Problem is we've got this car behind is bloody looking, isn't he?
Clear on the left.
I don't want to run into the back of these guys either.
Side. Stay on the right. Clear.
Yeah, without the slipstream, he can't really do anything, but
Car on your left.
now what do we do?
Stay on the right. Clear on the left. Left side. Clear on the left.
Yeah, that's a bit tight. He was trying to go up our inside, wasn't he, earlier? He's dropped back a bit. Okay, well, we're sort of in the race, aren't we? We can just keep ahead, this guy behind, and get in front of these two ahead.
Car right.
Yeah, he nearly dropped it there, didn't he?
Keep to the left. Clear. .822. There's an incident ahead.
Thought he was going to try and get up the inside then. He was thinking about it, wasn't he? He seems very keen, this guy. He's looking at making moves where there's no space, really.
Still there.
I don't think.
Clear on the left.
He hasn't got the slipstream.
Left side. Clear on the left.
He keeps on looking. I'm having to defend from him, and it's stopping me going after these two in front. Really do with dropping him. He's becoming a bit annoying.
10 minutes to go. Car right.
No, I'm not giving him that.
Still there. Clear.
No way. Not giving him that.
The car in P.
Okay, let him deal with whoever's behind him for a bit.
47.553. 49.149. New fast.
We were slow through there though. But still got these two ahead who are really battling, aren't they? Is he going for it? Problem is they're side by side, so they've got no slipstream and they just can't get past each other. Oh dear.
There's an incident ahead.
Incident ahead. Somebody off, are they? Or was that the two ahead? Sounds like someone might be off.
Seems like you don't want to win.
There's an incident.
Oh dear.
Oh, come on! Yes,
Something's happened ahead, hasn't it?
Why don't we got
There's an incident ahead.
I tried to warn you.
My car on the left.
I guess it's my bad for trying to be a nice dude and letting people die. Unbelievable.
Yeah, the guy behind does seem to have a bit of speed, doesn't he?
No, just people. These people don't have brakes. Also.
He's definitely got some speed,
They are
no
just
question.
fighting like an idiot. Unless you want.
He's going to go, isn't he? Yeah, I just know it.
2.
Really, really.
He didn't. I was wrong.
Left side.
Okay, we've got a run here.
On the right.
But have we got the slipstream?
On the right.
That's the thing. If we can... no, because he's giving it to him now.
You're on the right.
Oh, 3 wide, but flipping heck.
Hold your line. Left side, 2 wide. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Well, he didn't get by, and the other guy did. Okay, and we had an off track.
Car on your left.
Okay, he was just sending that, wasn't he? Okay, we'll let him bother the car ahead and see what happens then. See if he causes problems. Get the feeling he might.
Slow car ahead. Car stop on the left. Car stop on the left.
Hey, somebody else off that. Okay, I want him to go after this guy ahead, really, so I don't want to make him defend.
4, 7. You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.6 seconds.
I want him to go after the guy ahead and maybe cause him some problems. So is he going to go after the guy ahead?
Had the chat on mute this whole time.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.9 seconds. Five minutes to go.
Yeah, only 5 minutes to go. So what we're going to do here? He's not really making much impact, is he? I wonder if he's damaged or something. Because he was all over the back of us. He made a big mistake there, didn't he?
Right side. Still there, hold your line. Still there. Clear.
That slowed us down because he made a mistake. So he was all over the back of us and now he's not really getting anywhere.
6-2.
So what's he doing? Let the guy ahead go, isn't he?
4, 7.
I don't know what he's doing.
Right side. Car stopped ahead. Clear. Car
You
stopped on the left.
idiots.
There's an incident ahead. Go right.
Oh dear. More problems ahead.
Anders, what were you thinking?
He's slow there as well.
Left side. Clear on the left. Left side. Keep to the right.
Okay, and I've got the inside for the next turn, but he's got a bit more speed, hasn't he? What's going on here?
Still there, hold your line. Clear on the left. Left side. Clear.
Tiny touch. Tiny touch. Nothing too bad. He does seem mistake prone, doesn't he? How long we got? A couple more laps, maybe?
49.368. You're in the top 10.
Yeah, the guy ahead's just got away, I think.
Car right. Still there.
Okay, he's letting us go.
Clear.
Wonder why he's doing that. Maybe he does have damage then. Or thinks he can get me somewhere else, I don't know. Maybe because I touched him, he doesn't want to get taken out, maybe. Who knows? I hardly touched him, though. I don't think we've got time to get this guy ahead, have we?
You've got about 5 laps of fuel.
He's quick through that. Maybe he's going to do it on the last lap then. Maybe that's his cunning plan.
White flag, white flag. Car on.
Looks like it.
Still there. Still there, hold your line. Clear, 48 points.
Okay, what we got here then? Somebody going slow.
Set your fastest lap of the session.
Why are they going so slow? What's going on here? Why is that guy going so slow? Someone we can get by, I wonder. He's got more speed than me now, hasn't he? So that car ahead, I don't know what was going on. Might have had a slow down penalty. But I don't think we're going to get it. Oh, nearly.
2 Aussies on the podium once again.
Yeah. Well, good race. I enjoyed that. Respectful. Tough. But we didn't hit each other. Well, tiny touch, wasn't it? But that was a tiny, tiny thing. Yeah, we did it. Pleased with that. Yeah, very pleased, particularly after those Porsche Cup races. Good race. Okay, then. So, not a bad start. Quite happy with that. But we got sort of pinched on the inside, didn't we? And I didn't want to... I could have then, I guess, pushed on there, but I didn't want to catch anyone there. So yeah, good start. What was happening in front or behind then? Let's see. What was this near the back? Yeah, typical first lap crash. Cold tyres. Oh, he got through there okay. Yeah, did he touch? I don't think he did. That's us there. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Just on the grass. He's going to hit the wall, isn't he? Yeah. And he damaged... No, he damaged his wing, I think. Didn't hit the wall. Well, he braked nice and early, didn't he? And then just was trying to get a run and hit his wing, I think. Oh. Has he made it? Oh, hit his wing as well. Yeah, tiny little bit of wing damage. Is this going to be the same? Oh, no. Goodness, what happened there? What happened there? Goodness, he's lost his wing as well. So he's going to go off here, isn't he? Of course. Here he goes. And here he goes again. Yep. Oh dear. It was fast repair, so he was trying to get back to the pits, I'm guessing. Oh dear, didn't quite get that right. So there's a lot of little taps, aren't there? So I don't feel so bad about my little tap now. Oh dear, unlucky. Oh, what's happening here? Yeah, another little tap. Damaged his wing. Ooh. Oh, that was unlucky. Unlucky. Oh, he tried to hold his brakes, but... And that was it. Goodness. Okay, let's have a look at the results. Here we go then. So that was top split out of 2. Nice bit of safety rating. Lost a little bit of high rating, not too much. We had a good old race, didn't we? Could have been with maybe another place up. Raymond was very quick and aggressive, but we didn't, not overly aggressive, but yeah, certainly put me under a lot of pressure. I thought I'd got him, but yeah, obviously he was just playing with me and then went back past. But yeah, good fun. Enjoyed that. So best lap then of 47.5. We managed a 48.6, so second off. Which is not too bad. That's closer than I normally am in a F4, so I'm quite pleased with that. It's a fixed setup, so it's just the driver. That's all it was. So yeah, good. Okay, well, good combo. I like Watkins Glen, but not in the Porsche Cup. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.